In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Semrush. If you've decided a project is no longer needed, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it safely and permanently, and I'll point out a few things to keep in mind before you confirm the deletion. First, open Semrush and head to your Projects area. You can do this from your main dashboard by navigating to the Projects section. This is where all of your existing projects are listed, whether they're active, paused, or just set up for testing. Next, locate the project you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the right one, especially if you manage multiple sites or campaigns with similar names. Remember, once a project is deleted, its data is gone for good, so it's worth double-checking at this stage. When you've found the correct project, look for the three dots icon next to it. This is the options menu that holds management actions for that specific project. Click the three dots to open the menu. From the list of options, choose Delete Project. Semrush will not remove it immediately. You'll see a confirmation prompt. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Read the prompt carefully and confirm that you want to proceed. By confirming, you're permanently deleting the project and all associated data. That includes settings, audits, position tracking, backlinks data, and any other reports tied to that project. There's no undo button after this point. Once you confirm, the project is removed from your project's dashboard and the process is complete. You won't be able to access any of the data that belong to that project moving forward. A few quick reminders to help you avoid surprises. Deleting a project permanently removes all its data, and this action cannot be undone. If you think you might need any reports, metrics, or settings later, consider saving or exporting that information before you confirm the deletion. It can also be helpful to inform teammates or stakeholders if they rely on that project's data, so everyone is aligned before it's removed. That's all there is to it. You've opened Semrush, navigated to Projects, found the correct project, used the three-dot menu, selected Delete Project, and confirmed the deletion. Your project has now been permanently deleted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your Semrush workspace with confidence. If you found this useful, feel free to check out more tutorials on organizing, auditing, and maintaining your projects efficiently.